Achieving true zero trust requires access controls that adapt to identity, device posture, and real-time conditions. AppGate ZTNA enables this by enforcing precise, context-driven access for every interaction. So let's see how it works. AppGate ZTNA is made up of three components: the controller, the client, and the gateway. The controller serves as the policy decision point, acting as a trust broker that evaluates context and issues the appropriate entitlements. The gateway is the policy enforcement point, which is located wherever resources need to be protected. Both the controller and the gateway are completely cloaked from unauthorized discovery through the use of a technology known as Single Packet Authorization, or SPA. With no open or exposed ports, the system is protected from many types of network and credential-based attacks. When a user needs to access a resource, the client connects to the controller using SPA. The controller then authenticates the user via an identity provider using OIDC, SAML, LDAP, or Radius to validate and authenticate the user, and retrieves the necessary user claims to determine access entitlements. The controller then checks user context, performs a deep device posture check, and aggregates additional signals from third-party sources such as SIEM, ITSM, or other security tools. Based on this multi-dimensional identity profile, the controller generates a live entitlement token and sends it to the client via signed signature. It's a live entitlement and not static, as it's continuously generated based on the user's real-time context and risk at the moment of access. Again, using SPA, the client sends that live entitlement packet to the gateway. The client can only connect to gateways where that user has been granted entitlements. Once the gateway validates that that signed token has not been tampered with, it dynamically generates a segment of one that provides access only to the specific resources the user has been granted. In this example, this user only has access to application 1, while all other resources remain hidden and fully cloaked. Finally, AppGate ZTNA continuously monitors the system for changes in context and can adjust or revoke access privileges in near real time. It adjusts the segment of 1 based on this change in context. For example, if the user's role changes, they would lose access to one application and gain access to another. By continuously evaluating identity, device posture, and real-time context, AppGate ZTNA ensures that users receive exactly the access they need, no more, no less. This dynamic, adaptive approach brings organizations closer to true zero trust, enabling fast, secure access without disrupting the user experience.